This is NovaCool. Sales representative came by and gave it to us. They gave some to Grady County kind of to try out, see if we like it. The basic idea is this is a new foam that we can use not only on, most foam is specific to Class A fires or Class B fires. So either normal household products or flammable liquids. And you can't intermix them. For one, Class B foam is not environmentally friendly. So we can't put it on like wildland fires. Class A foam is actually pretty detrimental if you put it on flaming oil. This one will cover both of them. And one of the issues we get into is sometimes we don't just have a Class A fire or a Class B, they're mixed together. So this will take care of that problem. It's also environmentally friendly for Class B, so we don't need to worry about runoff getting into ponds and things like that and streams. It can work on Class D, which is metals, and on Class K, which is cooking oils, which is also something different. Most foams can't do that.
What's the average amount of savings if this works?
You can figure if we go get one of our big fire extinguishers, right now we carry a water extinguisher for just simple household fires that we can get knocked out without dragging a hand line in. But if it's any kind of combustible that water just won't put out itself, we have to take an ABC extinguisher in and use that. We can add a little bit of this to one of our water extinguishers, 2 ounces for 2.5 gallons of water, and basically replace ABC extinguishers on the majority of our fires. One, we won't have to take them out of service to go get them recharged, and we can just come back to the station and do it ourselves. And it's $120, I believe, for a 5-gallon bucket of this, and it takes 2 ounces for 1 extinguisher. So should be a pretty quick savings, pretty fast.
Describe what your guys are doing out there today.
Now we're basically not just taking the sales rep's word for it. So what we're doing is we're actually testing this with some different scenarios. We're using some normal household items, a little bit more modern furniture, things like that, some plastics, wood, and we're lighting it on fire, and then we're checking it with just a water extinguisher, seeing how long it takes us to get it out, and then rekindle, if it does rekindle. And now we're going to take an exact identical fire load, set it on fire, wait the same amount of time, let it build, and then use this foam on it, see how much faster it puts it out, and if there's any kind of rekindle. The alcohol blends that go in gasoline will eat foam. So this is supposed to be alcohol resistant. So we're going to get a little bit of gasoline, put a little blanket of foam on it, and see if it actually stays or if it's eaten. It's supposed to be alcohol resistant. So this will be our, if it works, it will be our go-to foam, cover everything, be environmentally friendly, and be a huge savings in money for the city and in property, where we don't have to put as much liquid on people's homes to get the fire out. We don't have rekindles because it absorbs into the material better. So should be better all overall.